Hi everyone, today's number corner lesson is going to be pretty fast and easy. So you need your math notebook out, okay? So go ahead and get that out and a paper piece, or I'm sorry, this out and a pencil, okay? If you need to pause the video to get those supplies, go ahead and do that. If you are ready, then we are going to turn to that first page that we always work in, that calendar grid observations page. Okay, and I'm just going to skip a line, and right here I am going to put our date, which is September 15th. Okay. Okay, then I am going to be looking at our calendar card. So this is a picture and it says 3 hands, how many fingers? So each hand has 5 fingers. So I can count that 5, 10, 15 fingers. Okay. So right underneath the model, we're going to write picture. Okay, and then for our description, so we have 3 hands, and on each hand there's 5 fingers. So 3 hands with 5 fingers. Okay, so I want you to think for a second. I'll give you about 10 seconds to write down what the equation would be for this calendar marker. 3 hands with 5 fingers on each hand. Okay, you should have written 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, because I have 3 hands, and on each hand I have 5 fingers. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, now for our next calendar marker that we are going to do, I want you to take a second, maybe tell your pet, tell your mom or your dad or your sibling what you think our next card is going to be. Okay, so you can kind of look at our models and see maybe if there is a pattern. Think about it. Think about it and see if you can think of a pattern. Okay, well, let's look. We started with a loop, ratio table, picture, array. Loop, ratio table, picture, array. Loop, ratio table, picture, array. Loop, ratio table, picture, and today is going to be an array. So there is definitely a pattern there. All right, let's look at our array. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and in each row I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Okay, so right underneath my picture, I'm going to write array. Okay, and for the description, I have 4 rows with 4 squares. So I have 4 rows with 4 squares in each row. Okay, so think about it. What would be my equation? Tell your pet, tell your mom or your dad or your sibling, maybe your friend. Okay, you should have written 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 4 equals 16 because I have 4 rows with 4 squares in each row. All right, that is all that we have for Number Corner today. So make sure that your calendar grid observations is all caught up. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.